Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region Standard 7 Subject General Science Lesson number 15 Material we use and video number 13. We have learned that new substances produced by chemical processing of natural substances is called man-made substance. In this lesson we learn about some substances in our daily use. We have seen that olden times India, acacia bark, neem twigs, coal powder, ash, tooth powder, salt, pomegranate reed were used for cleaning teeth. Today, variety of toothpaste and tooth powder are used for this purpose. So toothpaste is means the principal ingredient of toothpaste, calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen phosphate, remove dirt of the teeth. This ingredient also polish the teeth and certain proportion of the fluoride in toothpaste help to prevent tooth decay. Fluoride is essential for strengthening the bones of enamel covering of teeth. Then next product is detergent. The word detergent is derived from Latin word detergere, which means that the wipe away. Detergent is substance that clean or wipe away dirt. Soap nut means Rita and soap pod means Shikekai. The soap, washing soda, washing powder, liquid soap, shampoo are all the detergent. The molecule of detergent are long and properties of its two ends are different. The molecule of detergent hold on water molecule at the one end and oil molecule on the other end. As a result, molecule of oil mix with the water. This is how soap act when wash ourselves or our soiled clothes. Our body and clothes become oily for various reasons such as applying gels or cream or oiling our hair, etc. The oily layer stick fast to the crisscross thread of the material of our cloth. Soap is used for removal of it. So due to this property holding the both oil and water, soap water spread easily many type of surfaces. The property of substance spreading on surface is called surface activity and surface is said to be surfactant. Detergent are said to be surface active. Natural detergent are soap nut and soap pod are the natural detergent in common use. They contain chemical name saponin. Soap nut and soap pod do not have any harmful effect, but human skin and silk and woolen thread and cloth. So man-made detergent. Man-made detergent means soap. Soap is made from detergent which has to be used in ancient time. So hard soap and soft soap means hard soap is used for washing cloth. It is sodium salt of fatty acid, and soft soap means it is used for bathing. It is potassium salt of fatty acid. It does not cause irritation of the skin. In the hard water as well of well as well as tube well, soap does not give lather but forms scum. As a result, soap loses its cleansing property. Soap is man-made detergent which has been used in ancient time. It is believed that soap was invented in the West about 2000 years ago. In those days, soap was prepared using animal fat and wood ash. Today we come across variety of soaps. Natural detergent means no synthetic detergent have takes place of soap. There are several methods of producing this detergent. The long structural unit of synthetic detergent are obtained by raw material which are mainly fats and kerosene. Detergent are obtained by subjecting this raw material to variety of chemical process. Synthetic detergent are used in many types of cosmetic. Synthetic detergent can be used in hard water as well as well water. Soft soap and hard soap are used for washing cloth. It is sodium salt of fatty acid and soft soap means potassium salt of fatty acid. It does not use for washing the cloth. It does not cause the irritation of the skin. Then making of soap, 15 gram take 60 ml coconut oil, dissolve 15 gram sodium hydroxide and 15 ml water, mix sodium hydroxide solution in oil and slowly stirring it with glass rod. The mixture boil with 10 to 12 minutes. After stirring, take care that mixture does not boil over heating. Dissolve 50 ml salt, 50 gram salt in 200 ml water. Pour this solution into above mixture and stir. The soap formed by the chemical reaction now float on the water. After some time it become thick. Now separate the thick soap and add perfume to it. Shape of the soap using mold. In the above process, fats and alkali combine to form salt of fatty acid. Chemically, soap is a sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid. That is the preparation of soap. Then cement. Cement is an important material in construction. Sheets, block, pillars and pipes are made from concrete produced by the cement. Cement is a dry greenish grey powder with the fine particle. It is made up of silica, alumina, lime, iron oxide and magnesia. Portland cement is most commonly used cement for construction work. It is made up of raw material consist of 60% lime means calcium oxide, 25% silica means silicon or dioxide, 5% alumina, the rest of iron oxide and gypsum. Portland cement get its name from stone carried from ice of Portland in England, which has been similar texture. In ancient time, Roman had used cement as well as concrete. They used to make aqueous cement by mixing volcanic ash and the lime and gypsum. So in ancient time, Roman make cement by mixing volcanic ash and moistened lime. It was very durable cement. With the decline of Roman Empire, this art of making cement was also forgotten. In 1756, British engineer John Smeaton developed the method of making aqueous cement. Concrete is prepared by mixing cement, water, sand and gravel. For making a strong and leak-proof slab, certain substances are fixed in concrete. So cement is an important material for construction. Sheets, block, pillars and pipes are made from cement. Cement is dry greenish grey powder. So today we discuss what is meant by detergent, soap, various types of soap and cement production. So please like, subscribe. Thank you very much.